Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Instagram group chat theme back to default. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app. Locate and click on the messenger icon at the top right. Then click on the group chat name. Click on the profile name again. Locate and click on theme. Once you selected theme, then you want to go ahead and choose the Instagram default theme. By default, this is going to be the theme that corroborates with dark theme and light theme. So here, I'll set this to monochrome. Then you see this is more like the Instagram default theme. Then click on apply. And then hit the back button and then you're good. So if you click on theme on the chat page as well, you'll be able to change the theme. And then you're good. You see that? So that is exactly how to change Instagram group chat theme back to normal. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.